अमरावती आंध्र प्रदेश के उप मुख्यमंत्री पवन कल्याण ने कहा, पंचायती राज व्यवस्था को मजबूत करने और सरकार के कामकाज में पारदर्शिता और जवाबदेही लाने में हमारे चुनावी वादे के अनुरूप हम कल राज्य की 13,326 पंचायतों में ग्राम सभाएं आयोजित करेंगे। हम विकास के लिए गाँव में 87 प्रकार के कार्यों के लिए 450 करोड़ रुपए आवंटित कर रहे हैं और महात्मा गांधी नरेगा के माध्यम से 5 मिलियन लोगों को रोजगार प्रदान करेंगे। हमारे पंचायती राज सुधारों के हिस्से के रूप दिवस आरती दिवस समारोह के लिए पंचायतों को पहले दी जाने वाली 100/250 रुपए की राशि को बढ़ाकर 10,000 25,000 रुपए कर दिया है। मैं महिलाओं, पुरुषों और युवाओं से अपने गाँव के विकास के लिए ग्राम सभाओं और बैठकों में भाग लेने का आग्रह करता हूँ।
Before, every Gram Sabha regarding the Manrega related works, they used to do it independently. But this time, for all the 13,326 panchayats, whatever that village requires, whatever the kind of infrastructure that village requires, and we are taking the opinion of the entire village in one go for all the 13,326 panchayats. This we had promised during the election period that NDA coalition government will strengthen the Panchayat Raj system and bring transparency and accountability in the functioning of the government. So in line with our promise, which on 23rd of this month, which is tomorrow, we will conduct village assemblies across the 13,326 panchayats in the state, an unprecedented event in the country. We are allocating around 4,500 crore rupees for 87 types of work aimed at the village development to generate 9 crore work days and provide employment to 5 million families through Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. And just to remind you, our state was the second to implement a Panchayati Raj system in the country after Rajasthan. With the enactment of the 73rd Constitutional Amendment, which granted constitutional status to panchayats, over 3 decades have passed. Now with the second generation reforms, we are initiating a new phase of Panchayat Raj revolution right here in Andhra Pradesh. For the past 3 decades, if you look at our minor and major panchayats, for Independence Day and for Republic Day, they were given very nominal amounts, rupees 100 and rupees 250 respectively for those particular day celebrations. As part of our Panchayat Raj reforms, we have increased these amounts to from 100 rupees to 10,000 rupees, from 250 rupees to 25,000 rupees. This is how we demonstrated our sincerity and commitment of our NDA government to people. As a continuation of these reforms, we are organizing Gram Sabha, you can say village assemblies. A Gram Sabha is not merely about few people or tens of people gathering in one place, but involves taking responsibility for village development and ruling our villages by ourselves in kind of a self-rule approach. Mahatma Gandhiji has emphasized the roots and vitality and the essence of a nation remain in our villages, firmly anchored in our villages. So for the well-being of such villages, under the vision of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and the leadership of Sri Chandrababu Naidu, and under the direction of the Panchayat Raj department, I request all the youth to participate, all the women, all the youth and everyone in each and every village to participate in their respective Gram Sabha meetings, to transform ordinary panchayats into self-reliant panchayats as a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And I request all the participants to be active and decide be a part of the destiny, be a part of your village development, and I request you all to make it a grand success. Thank you.